Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate the Xfinity Pods in 2026. Now, before we begin, you just have to make sure that Xfinity Internet and Gateway are already working because Pods only work with an active connection. After that, you need to take your Xfinity Pods and you need to simply plug it directly into a wall outlet. Just make sure that it is placed between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area and not exactly in the dead zone. Now, once you have done that, you need to basically open the Xfinity application. Afterwards, you need to sign in into your account. So when you are inside, you just have to first of all go to your accounts section. Here you will see the option which is called Activate X5 Pods under the devices. So when you see the activate option, you just have to tap on it and then you just have to click on the option of get started. After that, you just have to basically guide through everything so that you could basically follow those instructions step by step. So keep your phone close to the pod and make sure that the Bluetooth option is turned on. So once it is connected, you can name your pod so that you can easily recognize it later. So the setup is going to take a few minutes for the pod to basically come online. After that, it will start extending your Wi-Fi automatically. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.